All right, in our family, if you have like kids like us, the quesadillas, not quesadillas. I made that mistake once, joking around saying quesadillas, and we went to a restaurant and actually ordered a quesadilla from somebody. It was horribly embarrassing. But if you have kids like we do, quesadillas are a staple in our household, and it's usually cheese quesadillas. But tonight we're gonna have a different type of quesadilla. It's actually still simple to make because if I can make it, then anybody can make it. But we're making chicken bacon quesadillas, and so we've got our chicken right here. And so what we're gonna do is it's gonna be super simple. We're just if you've seasoned chicken before, like my wife has, you just stick it in this baggie, and this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna use some limes. We're gonna use some Cajun chicken seasoning, some salt and pepper, and we're gonna mix it up, and it'll be great. It'll be super great. So this is what we do. Take some olive oil. About 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. We're gonna do some pepper first. I'm gonna do a little bit of salt. And then we're gonna do, get this Cajun sauce, gourmet Cajun sauce, Cajun spice, because we're fancy. We're fancy like that. So we're gonna pop in some Cajun seasonings. And then we're gonna take some garlic. We love garlic in our household, and this is gonna be a good way to give it just a little extra something. So put some garlic. Super simple. We're gonna seal it up. And then we're just gonna mash it. We're gonna mash it around until it coats all 4 of our chicken breasts. You can use any kind of chicken you want, cutlets, thighs, whatever, but we're using chicken breasts in our house tonight for these chicken bacon Cajun quesadillas. All right, now after the spices and the garlic and the salt and the pepper have kind of sat for a little while, marinated, we're going to take our lime and we're going to cut it in half because I also want to get this fly out of the way. Number 1, that's gross. And then we're going to spread some of this lime juice within chicken. Seal it back up. We're going to let it marinate for a little while longer, and then we're going to throw these bad boys on the Blackstone. Alright, so now we're gonna cut the chicken into manageable slices. We don't want like gigantic slices. This is a quesadilla. It's a quesadilla. And so, but we don't want like little cubes either. So we just want them manageable slices. This quesadilla, this quesadilla is so good that it's causing our little Havapoo dog to go crazy. She's actually crying because she wants this chicken. Last strip of chicken. Then we're going to put it in this bowl so we can serve it easily onto the quesadillas on the griddle. At this point, you can add either any more Cajun seasoning if you want, or sauce, as I like to say, or you can add some more lime for some lime juice. Either way you look at it, that's what you can do. But we're going to use this bowl right here to serve the chicken into the quesadilla, along with this bacon. Get a look at this bacon, this crisp bacon. Cannot wait. Our son Carter loves it crispy. I love it crispy. It's going to be amazing.
Just fast forward it. You can't really see the cheese. No. You can't really tell there's cheese because it's like... Yep. Are you folding them in half?
Yep.
Oh.
Yeah.
I thought you were just putting a top on them. Oh, tons. We're gonna have tons of chicken left.
Does that need more cheese?
No, probably not. Because she's not a big cheese person anyway.
You want stuff on this?
I want my pico on it. I just feel like a 1 spoonful. That's perfect. Just yours?
Yep. Just mine.
No thanks. You should have brought it all out here.
Car probably doesn't want it, right?
No, we'll just put chicken, bacon, and cheese.